Hi, today I'm reviewing VIVO V21e and I'll show you how to customize quick action option on this device. So now by press and hold to the down volume button, we could launch the flashlight, and if you want to change this option, for example, to open the camera app or another application, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility. Then click to the quick action and switch turn on torch, for example, to open camera or open Facebook, or tap to open app and select one from the available applications on your device. For example, let's open the Instagram. So let's just lock the device and press and hold the power key button. So now we should unlock our phone and we can see that the Instagram application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.